Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you are doing well. First of all, I request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. Today's topic is EasyPaisa. EasyPaisa is a mobile financial services platform in Pakistan, initially launched in 2009 by Telenor Pakistan in collaboration with Tamir Microfinance Bank. Now Telenor Microfinance Bank, it enables users to perform various financial transactions using their mobile phones. EasyPaisa has grown to become one of the largest branchless banking services in Pakistan, providing financial services to millions of users, including those without traditional bank accounts. So, here are benefits of EasyPaisa. Number first is mobile banking. Users can manage their accounts, transfer funds, and pay bills using their mobile phones, making banking accessible anywhere. Money transfer. EasyPaisa allow quickly and secure money transfer domestically between EasyPaisa accounts or from EasyPaisa to other bank accounts. Bill payments. Users can pay utility bills, electricity, water, gas directly from their EasyPaisa account without visiting physical offices or banks. Top up and recharge. Mobile credit can be recharged for any telecom network in Pakistan through the EasyPaisa app or USSD services. Online shopping. EasyPaisa provides a secure payment gateway for e-commerce purchases, enabling customers to shop online conveniently. Branchless banking. Users don't need to visit a physical bank. EasyPaisa agent available in thousands of locations over services like cash deposits and withdrawals. ATM withdrawals. EasyPaisa account holders can withdraw cash from ATMs using their EasyPaisa debit card or mobile wallet. Microloans. EasyPaisa offers small loans to users, making financial access easier for those in need of short-term credit. International remittances. EasyPaisa facilitates the receipts of international remittances, allowing users to get money from abroad without visiting traditional banks. QR code payments. Users can make payments at shops and vendors that accept EasyPaisa by scanning QR codes through their mobile apps. Insurance services. EasyPaisa offer micro insurance services including life and health insurance to users with low premiums. Saving accounts. EasyPaisa allows users to open digital savings account offering returns on deposited funds, making saving money easy and accessible. Digital wallet. It serves as a digital wallet allowing users to secure, securely store funds and manage their finances without the need for physical cash. Tax payments. EasyPaisa provides a feature for users to pay government taxes directly through the platform. Ease of use. The app and USSD interface are user-friendly, making it accessible even to individuals who are not tech savvy. Accessibility for the unbanked. EasyPaisa serves millions of Pakistanis who are unbanked or underbanked, offering them access to essential financial services, reduced transaction cost. EasyPaisa typically offer lower transaction fees compared to traditional banking services, making it cost effective. Security. Transactions are encrypted and two-factor authentication is used, ensuring the safety of users' accounts and personal data. 24/7 availability. Unlike traditional bank with fixed hours, EasyPaisa services are available 24/7, making it convenient for users to transact anytime. Or wide agent network. EasyPaisa has thousands of agents across Pakistan, making it easy for users to access cash in and cash out services even in remote areas. So guys, this is the end of our topic, and in this video we have discussed about EasyPaisa and we have discussed about benefits of EasyPaisa account. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for the next lecture. Goodbye.